Phillips. I'm running for district attorney here in Sacramento County. I'd like to tell people a little bit about me, about my experience at the DA's office before I talk about why I'm running. You know, I've been a prosecutor for about 20 years. Serious guy. I was a homicide prosecutor. I've tried a lot of cases. I've supervised lawyers. I've supervised important units in the office, like domestic violence, human trafficking, and elder abuse. While I was in charge of those units, we saw the greatest expansion of victim services the county has seen. But the reality is this: the way we've been doing business for a long time, my business, criminal law, has led to a lot of the problems that you see and that we all now accept as reality. Mass incarceration, the failed drug wars, the school-to-prison pipeline. I tell people that the truth is that people like Milo Fitch, law enforcement, were not responsible for the massive increase in the incarcerated populations that we have. That is directly due to the responsibility of what prosecutors have done. We are responsible for that. We're the ones that created that. And what we've learned is that that did not make you safer. That's most of the reason why people in my business did what we did. We felt like we were doing it to protect people. But the reality is we didn't make you safer, we didn't save you money, and there was a terrible human cost. And so I'm here to fix it. That's what my platform is about, and that's why I'm here before you. And I do want to talk a little bit about the rest of my platform. Part of it revolves around issues of social justice. I know all of you have heard of the Stephon Clark case. What we have learned, that's a microcosm for the greater issue about the system being broken. The system is broken. That is a primary example of how it is broken, right? That is a case, that is a killing. I've heard it described as a tragedy, but I want you to be, let's be real with each other. There are tragedies and then there are avoidable tragedies. Why is it that we continue to see over and over again a public that is angry, that is upset, that is requesting changes, and the people in law enforcement are refusing to give you those changes? They're refusing to be proactive instead of reactive, right? And so, from my perspective, what we need in law enforcement is a district attorney's office that is separate and distinct from their relationship with the police. We need a district attorney's office that has the right relationship with the police, and quite frankly, we don't have that right now. The system is broken. It doesn't work for everyone. We all know that. What we need is a district attorney that will hold law enforcement accountable when there's criminal wrongdoing. We need a district attorney that is proactively making the changes legislatively to make sure that law enforcement is changing in the ways we need them to change. I've been with law enforcement 20 years of my life. You know, Jim Cooper's out here. I remember him when he was a dope cop, right? We were working together 20 years ago.
We got time.
Oh, we're done? I just want to say thank you so much for having me. That's my platform. Is that right, Jim Cooper? We're done. We're on.